How to deactivate your Snapchat account on your iPhone. If you're taking a break from social media or simply don't want to use Snapchat for a while, you can temporarily deactivate your account before it's permanently deleted. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Delete Account. Sign in using your Snapchat username or email address and your password. Then tap Continue. Snapchat will now deactivate your account for 30 days. During this period, your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. If you change your mind, simply log back in within 30 days using your username and password. Then confirm that you want to reactivate your account. If you don't sign in within those 30 days, your Snapchat account and its data will be permanently deleted. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials and social media how-to videos. Thanks for watching.